Hi guys, and welcome back to Chip's Green World. Today you join me when I'm going to be making a display table for the centre of the courtyard. So without any further ado, let's get on with this week's vlog. Hi and welcome back to Chip's Green World. I'm Chip, this is the courtyard, that's Spud, Flower, that's Gypsy Boy, the work, the jobs. Join us on our adventures. Let's get to work. Right, hi guys and welcome back. This is the courtyard and this is where I'm going to be placing the display table on top of the olive tree. As you can see here, it's underused and could look so much better. So here we go. So first thing, measure up. Then remove all the pebbles. And as this table is going to be wet the majority of the time when I'm watering the pots that are going to be sat on it, wooden top is out of the question. Therefore I've gone for a Yorkshire stone, perfect for a Yorkshire courtyard. And I just happen to have this lovely piece of Yorkshire stone lying in the shed doing nothing. So let's give it a purpose. Right, so that's it all marked up, and now to cut it out. Ooh, smoking. Let's take this outside. And if you're wondering how I got that last piece off before I left the shed, right, now for the awkward bit, the hole in the middle. Right, that's that all done, all cut out. Now I just need to take it in the shed, clean the corners up a bit, and then on to fitting. Perfect. Now I just need to give it a good wash because it's looking like a piece of concrete rather than a piece of Yorkshire stone. That's much better. Right, let's grab a few pots nearby so we can get an idea how it could look. These obviously are not going to be the plants that go on here, but oh, that does look nice. Right, so I think that's worked quite well. Now I've got somewhere to display some lovely arrangements for every season. Turned out quite nice. And there you go, all done. Hope you've enjoyed Chip's Green World this week. Hope you'll join me next week. Have a great week everybody. Bye now.